Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make one of Nigerian easy side dish. I'll be making peppered kpomo or cow skin, and I'll be serving it with fried yam and plantain. Stay tuned. This peppered kpomo, I'll start by boiling my kpomo because I noticed that it's very strong. After boiling it, I will cut them into smaller pieces, but if you have the soft one, you can leave it and just add it into the pepper sauce. When I'm done cutting the kpomo, I will set them aside. So I'll start by cutting my onion into smaller pieces and my red bell pepper because I'm not going to add water while blending them. Two scotch bonnet pepper for this recipe. If you like, you can add more. So I will add the scotch bonnet into my blender, add the sliced onion and the red bell pepper and blend. When I'm done blending, I will set aside. I'll start to preheat my pan. While my pan has preheated, I'll be adding some oil. I'll be adding the blended pepper mixture into the oil. Stir and allow to fry. Once it's frying, I'll add salt, curry powder, ginger powder, add stock cube, stir and allow to fry. While the sauce is almost ready, I'll be adding the cooked kpomo, stir together. I'll also taste for salt and add. After adding the salt, stir everything together so that it will mix properly. Then I'll cover and allow to simmer. Serving the peppered kpomo with yam and plantain. So I've already peeled the yam. I'll be cutting it into my desired shape. After cutting the yam, wash and drain off the water. Some salt on the yam, then shake to mix together. Be adding some oil into the preheated pan. When the oil have heated, I'll be adding the yam and allow to fry. Always remember to turn it to fry the both sides. It's done. I'll be removing it from the oil. Finally, my peppered kpomo is ready. You can enjoy this with fried yam, plantain, roasted yam, even abacha. Thank you all for watching.